The AI community has been abuzz with the latest developments in the open-source AI space. A shocking revelation has come to light. OpenAI's Llama 4 and Google's Gemini 2.0 Pro are engaged in an intense AI showdown, pushing the boundaries of artificial intelligence and challenging the status quo. This AI showdown has far-reaching implications for the tech industry and society as a whole. As we explore the depths of this AI rivalry, we'll uncover the groundbreaking advancements and innovations that are making headlines worldwide. From the rise of open-source AI models to the emergence of new AI-powered applications, this episode will take you on a journey to the forefront of the AI revolution. But as AI continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, we must ask the question, what are the consequences of creating AI that surpasses human intelligence? Will we be able to control it? Will we be able to harness its power for the greater good?
Let's take a closer look at the Llama 4 and Gemini 2.0 Pro AI models. Both have been making waves in the AI community with their impressive capabilities and innovative designs. Llama 4, developed by OpenAI, is a highly advanced language model that has been trained on a massive dataset of text from the internet. Its ability to generate human-like responses has made it a game-changer in the field of natural language processing. On the other hand, Google's Gemini 2.0 Pro is a more general-purpose AI model that can perform a wide range of tasks, from answering questions to generating creative content. Its versatility and ability to learn from data make it a powerful tool for developers and businesses alike. But what sets these AI models apart from their predecessors? What new features and technologies have been integrated into Llama 4 and Gemini 2.0 Pro to make them so powerful? Let's dive deeper into the world of open-source AI and explore the cutting-edge innovations that are driving this AI revolution.
As we continue to push the boundaries of AI, we must confront the controversies surrounding its development and deployment. One of the most pressing concerns is the potential for AI to replace human jobs, exacerbating income inequality and social unrest. Others argue that AI will create new opportunities for employment and economic growth. Another contentious issue is the ethics of AI development. Should AI be designed to optimize for human well-being, or should it be allowed to pursue its own goals and objectives? The debate is ongoing, with some experts advocating for a more cautious approach to AI development, while others argue that we must press on and explore the full potential of AI.
As we look to the future, it's clear that AI will continue to play a major role in shaping our world. From healthcare and education to transportation and entertainment, AI-powered applications will transform the way we live and work. But what does the future hold for Llama 4 and Gemini 2.0 Pro? Will they continue to advance and improve, or will they plateau and become obsolete? One thing is certain: the AI community will continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, driving innovation and progress in the process.
As we conclude this episode, we want to encourage you to join the conversation. What are your thoughts on the future of AI? Do you think Llama 4 and Gemini 2.0 Pro will continue to dominate the AI landscape, or will new players emerge to challenge their dominance? Share your opinions and insights with us, and let's continue to explore the exciting world of AI together. If you've enjoyed this episode, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth content on AI and emerging technologies. We're dedicated to providing you with the latest news, trends, and analysis in the world of AI, and we're excited to have you along for the ride. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.